tsamba hii. Moyo wangu wakazara marwadzo, ndakaterera zvamakareva imi, asi rudo rwangu rwakamira pamupata. Pakati penyu naye zvose zvakapera. You said you were protecting me, but you never asked what she meant to me. I tried to choose peace, I tried to choose home, but in the end, I lost the one I call my own. Amai vatikwete moyo wationgo, ndakamira pakati penyu nerudo. Amai ndichiri mwana wenyu, but you broke the love I held on to. You tore the pages of our story. Still I'm praying she'll come back to me. She wasn't perfect, but she was kind. She held the parts of me you couldn't find. You warned me she would walk away, but it wasn't her, it was what you had to say. Now every night I feel the space she left behind. Amai, handisi kukupomerai, asindiri kukumbira munzwisise. Rudo harutongwi nedzinza, harutongwi nemashoko ekutiza. Rudo runongoda nzvimbo yekukurira. Amai vatikwete moyo wationgo, ndakamira pakati penyu nerudo. Amai ndichiri mwana wenyu, but you broke the love I held on to. You tore the pages of our story. Still I'm praying she'll come back to me. Amai, please let my heart be free. Hey. She was the best part of me. I'm still your son, but I'm learning to speak. Amai, this love was mine to keep.